It's nice how we were able to center this heading, Fonte Ucode. And maybe for reasons, the heading reasons, we want to center it too, or maybe we just want it indented a little bit. We can fully control the spacing above, below, and to the left and to the right of any element. Actually, whether it's a block element or an inline element. Let's make this reasons indented a little bit. And I want you to do the same thing on your web page, on your portfolio web page, for one of your headings. Because headings can just add a little extra style if they're indented. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the H2 tag over here. And we're going to, again, use the style attribute. And this time the declaration is going to have a property of margin. Whoops, I misspelled it. So you can see that there's actually 5 different margins. You can have margin just by itself. And you can control from that all 4 margins, top, bottom, left, and right. Or you can just control one of them. For now, we only want margin left. That's all we care about. So let's indent it, I don't know, let's indent it 10 pixels. So we can write 10 px. And if we now, it looks like live editing got a little haywire on us because it didn't really indent it. So let's just try erasing that and doing that a little slower. There we go. Now you can see that it indented a little bit. Now if you want to play with it, you can actually right click here, go to view page source, inspect element, like we did before, and it didn't actually go to it. Let's try that one more time. Inspect element, there we go. Now we're on our heading 2. So over here is our margin left, where we set the style right on the element. That's why it says element.style. So instead of 10 pixels, we can press up and down, and you can see it's moving reasons to the left and to the right. So now that looks pretty good actually. I like 20 pixels. So I'm going to change this back here now to 20, and we're good. We can close this, and even if we reload our page, it still keeps that 20 pixel margin.